Okay, good morning, class.
Good morning, teacher.
Okay, before anything else, Miss Jaime, can you please lead our prayer for today?
Angel of God, my God and dear, to whom is love, who makes me hear. Heaven's day, be at my side, to love and guard, to rule and guide. Amen.
Amen. Okay, before we start our class, let me check first your attendance. So, Miss Kiaka,
Present.
Miss Logong,
Present.
Miss Jaime.
Present.
Okay, very good. There is no absent for today. Before we are going to start our class, please follow this video.
Everybody feeling happy, wave your hands in the air. We've got a new dance from a band called Charlie Band. That's a little more secret about the band you know. A funny band called Charlie. Come and join in the show.
Okay, class, thank you for your participation. You did a great job. Before we're going to start, let me read first our objectives for today. Okay, our objectives is, at the end of the lesson, grade 6 pupils will be able to define and illustrate the meaning of ratio and proportion using concrete or pictorial models. So, I have here some few questions na kailangan nyong sagutin. Okay, ang aking tanong ay, naranasan niyo na bang pumunta sa palengke?
Opo.
Anong dinala niyo or anong dinala niyo papunta doon?
Pera.
At ano pa?
Basket.
Very good. So, ano ang na-notice niyo habang kayo ay pumunta sa palengke? Anong naranasan niyo? Okay, ang mga naranasan nyo ay, syempre, naging practical tayo. Nagiging practical tayo sa kung anong susuriin natin na mga pagkain para sa ating kalusugan. Tama ba?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Before we start, I have here some problems that you're going to answer. Okay? Read and analyze and solve. So we have one rainy day, 8 pupils of grade 6 Galilee class are absent. If there are 40 pupils in the class, what part of the class is absent and what part of the class is present? So our first question is, what part of the class is absent? From our problem here, or word problem, we have 8 pupils of grade 6 that is absent. Did you get it? And what part of class is present? So how are we going to get the present pupils in the class? How are we going to get the answer? Okay, we are going to minus the total number of class, which is 40, and the total number of absent, which is 8. So 40 minus 8 is equals to
32.
Okay, very good. 32. So the answer of the class that is present is 32. So okay, we're going to have our review to check your knowledge. So we are going to write the ratio of the following. So first, we are going to find the pencil to notebook. Letter B, we are going to find the notebook to pencil. And letter C, we're going to find pencils to total number of things and notebooks to total number of things. So from the picture that I have put here, so how many pencils that we have? 6 pencils, very good. And how many notebooks that we have? 4. Very good. So first, we are going to answer what is the ratio of pencil to notebook. So we have 6 pencils and 2 notebooks. So how many notebooks that we have? So we have 4 notebooks. So the ratio of pencil to notebook is 6 to colon of 4, or 6 to 4. And next, letter B, we have notebook to pencil. So how many notebooks that we have? 4. Very good. Next, we have 6 6 pencils. So the notebook to pencil is equals to 4 is to 6. And letter C, we have pencils to total number of things. So we have 4 pencils. And how many total things that we have? We are going to add the total number of pencil and notebook. So 6 plus 10.
10.
Okay, very good. So, pencils, the total number of things is 4 is to 10. And next, letter D, notebooks to total number of things. So, how many notebooks that we have? We have 4. And the total number of things. So, 6 plus 4, 10. Very good. So, our notebooks to total number of things is 4 is to 10. Okay, next we will going to have our activity or group activity. I will going to group you into 2 groups and you are going to answer these following questions. So we have here a certain pictures which is the eggs and the basket. So you're going to answer the following questions in 10 minutes only. So your time starts now. Okay, time is up. Can you please settle yourself? Let's answer our group activity for today. Okay, for number 1, letter A, we're going to find how many eggs to basket. So eggs to basket is 15. 15 is to 2. Very good. And letter B, we're going to find basket to egg. So how many baskets that we have?
2 is to 15.
Very good. 2 is to 15. Letter C, eggs, the total number of things.
15 is to 17.
15 is to 17. Very good. And letter D,
7.
basket, the total number of things. We have
2 is to 17.
2 is to
17.
Okay, congrats everyone. You did a great job in your group activity. So I have here some few questions that we're going to answer. So first question is, can we express the ratio of 2 numbers by fraction?
No.
Okay, very good. So what are the symbols that we are going to use in expressing of the ratio of 2 numbers? Okay, what is the symbols that we are going to write in going to get the ratio? Very good. So, for example, we have here 15 is the colon of 2. And then, we have the symbols of the word. So, 15 is 2. And then, we're going to have also the fraction of 15 over 2. So, the 3 symbols that we're going to get in the ratio is the colon, the word, and the fraction. Very good. So, our topic for today is all about the concept of ratio. So, ratio is a way of comparing 2 or more quantities having the same units. The quantities may be separate entities or may be different parts of the whole. So we can write the ratio of A and B in 2 ways. So just like what I've said earlier, that there are 3 symbols that we are going to use: the word form, the colon form, and the fraction form. So we have here, we're going to get the ratio of A and B. So in the word form, A is to B. And in the colon form, A to the colon of B. Or in the fraction, A is to B. So ratio could be expressed in simplest form, which means that the terms are relatively prime to each other. For instance, the ratio of triangle is to circle is 15 is to 12. In the word form, it may be also written in the column form or 15 column of 12. Or in fraction form, 15 is to 12. So, even if the ratio is in fraction form, this can still be read as 15 is to 12. So, kahit na in fraction form daw siya, kailangan pa rin na ang pagtawag, ang base sa kanya is 15 is to 12. So, since the ratio is not yet in the simplest form, we can express it as 15 over 12 is, we are going to get the simplest form, which is, or the lowest term. We are going to divide it in 3. So, the lowest term of 15 over 12 is equals to 5 over 4. So, did you get it? Okay, very good. Now we are going to answer this in the board. So, the question, the one that you are going to answer is this following question. So, Miss Aida, you are going to answer 1 and 2. Miss Jacob, you are going to answer 3 and 4. And Miss Lubong, you are going to answer 5. No? Your time starts now and you are going to answer 5. Everyone, so let us check your answer. So first, in number 1, so the answer is 3 is to 5. Very good. And in number 2, 7 is to 3. And in number 3, 5 minutes and 1 loss in volleyball. So the word form is 5 is to 1. And then in number 4, we have 3 is to 3 and the rest. So in number 5, we have 7 gavas and 5 melons. So the word form is 7 is to 5. So very good. So now, let's have our quiz. So kindly get 1/2 and you're going to answer this following. Okay, your time starts now. So, your time is up. Can you please pass all your papers forward? Finish or not finish? Okay, thank you. Before we are going to end our class, first your assignment. So, instruction, answer the following reference to the picture at the right answer of the question. So, you're going to answer this following. So, you're going to pass it tomorrow. Is that clear? Yes, ma'am. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for your participation. Goodbye, class. Goodbye.